Howdy guys, in today's video in TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at making some vector shapes for your image library. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the image library, and also I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now, in order to import vector shapes and that into your actual image library, we're obviously going to need some shapes. This is a great place if you've created some unique ones and that, then you want to add that to your image library because you don't want to remake them. So I'm just going to make a few shapes quick and then show you kind of what format to save it as so we can import it. So I'm just going to make a new document here, and then I'm just going to add a few default ones. So I'll maybe do a cube, a rectangle, and a circle, or square and a circle, and then let's quickly import a background image. So maybe make a star because it's not a shape you want to remake often. Zoom in here. Let me select that and zoom to it. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my node, my polygon tool, because I'm not going to have any curves in here, and I'm really, my apologies, just going to make a very rough star. This is just for the sake of the video tutorial. Normally for a client, I would spend more time and effort making sure this is perfect star, if you get such a thing. And then we've got that little star there. I'm gonna just remove the background image quickly and then scale the star so it's a similar size to the rest of the shapes. Now what you can do after that, now let's say you've got even more unique shapes, but we're going to leave it at this. We want to go in file, I'm going to save as, name it something, shape test. As you guys can see, this will be your project file. So I'm just going to overwrite it, and then what I want to do is go export. So after that, and then shapes test at the moment is set to AI, which I want to leave it on for after, Adobe Illustrator. Now you can obviously design this, let's say in like something like Photoshop or so forth, or Illustrator, if you're doing vector or GIMP. Sorry, my apologies, Inkscape. Then just save it to the right format, and then then you can actually pull those shapes from your library or import it into them. So let me go back to our project we were on, fit the zoom, and then next thing that what you want to do is now you can actually import those images we've just made. So if I had to go to the image library, import, you will see the vector shapes it picks up, and you've got a preview there. Now there is a few things to keep in mind when it comes to vector shapes, and we will be covering that in the next video. But in the meanwhile, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.